In this problem, we have a 25 kilogram bar. So as soon as you see that the mass is given, that tells you that the weight cannot be neglected. Therefore, 25 kilogram bar, the weight is 25 times 9.81, that is 245 Newton weight. And the center of mass is given at point G. If it is supported by a smooth peg at point C, a roller at point A, and a cord AB, we need to determine the reactions at all these supports. So point A, there's a roller, therefore there's one support reaction that's vertical up. Point C, this is a contact support, therefore the support reaction is normal or perpendicular to the member. And then AB is a cord. The tension force is always pulling the member along the orientation of the cord. So now when we draw the free body diagram, we will have first the 245 Newton force, that's the weight. And then we will have the unknown force, FC, that's from the peg at point C, a Y, that is the roller support, and we have a tension force T. This T right here, it's not horizontal, it is actually at a 15-degree angle with the horizon. So we have completed the free body diagram. We have three unknowns, FC, T, and AY, even though these three unknowns are from three different supports. So we can now write our three equations. Resultant force along the x direction equals to, we have the tension force T with a cosine 15 degree, that's a horizontal component. And then FC, the FC component, this horizontal component is FC times, because this angle is 30 degrees, so that's FC times sine 30 degree. And that's it, 0. Resultant force along the y direction, we have AY. Our tension force also has a vertical component that is a sine 15 degree minus our weight force 245, and our FC has a component that is cosine 30 degree, that equals to 0. And resultant moment summarized about point A, because that way we eliminate both AY and T. Both of them do not have moment about point A. And we have the 245 Newton force creating clockwise rotation, 245 times the moment arm is this distance right here, which equals to 0.5 times cosine 30 degree. And then for FC, don't forget FC is already perpendicular to the member. Therefore, its moment arm is simply this much, 0.5 plus 0.2, 0.7 meter. So three equations, three unknowns. We can solve for FC from the third equation, substitute into the first equation to solve for T, and then substitute both of them into the second equation to solve for AY. Therefore, AY equals to 93 Newton. Tension force equals to 78.5 Newton. And lastly, FC equals to 152 Newton.